Hi, everybody. Your boy Mikey B here, and welcome back to my stock trading journey. Now, for those of you who don't know, I'm very new at this stock trading game. I've only been doing this for about like a month and a half or 2 months, and I'm learning as I go along, and it has been a very up and down learning situation. Now, in this video, I want to talk about why I decided to keep my AT&T stock. The first reason is that it has gone below my buy-in price. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that my philosophy is that you don't lose or gain anything until you actually sell your stock. And so I'm not willing to sell at a loss. And plus, the second reason is that I believe it's going to come back up. And I don't think that the news is as bad as people think it is. Now, AT&T has decided to cut their dividend yield in half, which is still higher than a lot of the other stocks that pay dividends. They were paying like a 6%, and if you cut that in half, that's 3%. And a lot of stocks that pay dividend yields pay lower dividend yields than that. So I don't think that that's bad. Like I said, I think the stock is going to rebound. As a matter of fact, it did do a little rebound after a downfall on Friday. Now, right now, it has fallen from its Friday's high, and it looks like it may be trying to go back up. So we'll see what happens with that. Now, I also bought some Ford Friday. The ticker symbol for that is F. And it was going up. And today it has fallen. It's fallen down today. But it looks like it's trying to come back up. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Okay, and the last thing I want to talk about is I did do some paper trading, and it's actually doing pretty good. And it's making me wish I had did some real trading instead of paper trading. I'm actually up $9.82 here. I started off with $530. In the Webull app, which is where I'm at now, they'll let you do paper trading, and they'll actually start you off with $1,000,000. I went on and changed mine down to where my actual money was that I could trade, so that it would be more realistic for me. Now, the best performer in this is Fisker. It's up $7, although I did buy 10 shares of it. So it's doing well, but every other one is still up in the green and has some profit in it, except for Ford, which I bought in here also. So let's take a quick look at my Fidelity. And right now in Fidelity, I'm down also, although it is trying to make a rebound. So I'm hopeful that this will return and put me back in profit. Now, I want to talk a little bit about Weeble. Now, this is has turned into a pretty good platform, actually, with the extras that it have, like I showed last week with this area here where you can, put up stocks that you want to watch and watch several of them at the same time. Uh, Also, Weeble will give you 2 free stocks once you sign up and deposit $100. Now, you don't have to spend $100, you just have to deposit it. And in full disclosure, I will also get a free stock once you sign up and deposit your $100. So just want to let you know that. In the future, Weeble is going to have the ability for you to buy partial shares. So you won't have to buy a whole share of a stock that may be out of your price range. You can buy partial shares of that. So if something is say $100, you can buy $5 worth of that stock, $10 worth of that stock, whatever you feel like you want to spend on it. So that's something that you can look forward to in the future with Weeble. So I think I'm going to wrap it up right there. Like I said, I'm brand new at this stock trading game. And if you want to follow along on my journey, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put up new videos so you can follow along as I go through this journey. Also, if you found any value in this video, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, you just want to let me know what you're thinking, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will reply to all the comments that I get. Okay, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.